Hey everyone, welcome to Balkan Car Adventures. If you enjoy cheap project cars, DIY repairs and automotive adventures from the Balkans, you're in the right place. So, my wife needs desperately a new daily driver. She needs something so she can take our son to daycare, visit her parents, go grocery shopping and, in general, not be so dependent on me when she needs to go somewhere. The car had to meet a few criteria. First, to be small and reliable, economical and easy to run, and cheap. I think I found a car that managed to tick all the boxes. Or did I? Let's have a look. This is it, a 2006 Citroën C3 with 178,000 kilometers on the odometer, or at least that's what it says. I live in the Balkans, so there's quite a big possibility that this car has 350,000 kilometers and somebody just gave it a 50% mileage discount. Under the bonnet it has the famous 1.4 HDi diesel engine, which produces the massive 68 horsepower. No, it's not fast, but that's not what I bought it for. These little diesel hatchbacks are famous with their cheap parts, fuel economy, they're really easy to run, which is very good for the busy city streets or for somebody who just started driving like my wife. Now let's jump inside, because this little car actually has quite a few nice surprises. It comes with the basics you'd expect, like multiple airbags, ABS, ESP. It also has electric front windows, ice-cold air conditioning, armrests, aftermarket Bluetooth radio and rear parking sensors, although they look like they were installed by someone's cousin. Moving to the back, there's actually more room than you'd expect. Knee room is good, headroom is decent, and in general seating position is not that bad. We have two cup holders in the back, which can hold quite well a half-liter bottle. We have decent seat pockets, but the door pockets are on the smaller side. Another big issue here is, let me show you now. Yep, manual rear windows. But we also have ISOFIX anchor points for my son's child seat, which is more important than the manual windows. In general, I would not really like to travel very long distances on this back seat. And the boot. The boot is 305 liters with upright seats and 1310 with the seats folded. The seats fold 40 to 60. Don't know why this is here. But you can see that the lip is quite big and loading heavier items would be harder. In general, the boot is not that big, but it's good enough for shopping and weekends away. For longer trips, I would prefer to use my minivan. So, if you made it so far, it's time to answer the big question. How much did I pay for this car? And the price was just $900, which is half of the price of similar ones on the market. But there is a catch. The headlights are badly faded, part of the front lip is missing, one of the rear bumper brackets is broken, the wheels have seen better days. There's some rust, oil leaks, the AC compressor sometimes sounds like a vacuum cleaner, and the engine shakes at idle. And probably a lot more issues that I have not found yet. So it definitely needs some work, but that's why I bought it. This isn't just a cheap daily driver for my wife, this is another project car for the channel. Don't tell her. In the next episode, I'm going to tackle one of the biggest and most satisfying things to do, and this is to restore these badly faded headlights. Thank you so much guys for watching. If you enjoyed the video, leave a like and subscribe because there's plenty more work to come on this Citroën C3. I'll see you in the next one. Bye!